How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we're unboxing the Canon RF24-105 F4-7.1 with image stabilization, and this is a great all-around versatile lens, and that is the box for it. Let's go ahead and pop open and see the lens itself, and then I'll install the lens onto my new camera as well. We got some crazy bubble wrap included, some super thick bubble wrap right here. So we're gonna go ahead and unwrap with the bubble wrap right here, and somehow it's enclosed in this bubble wrap, so we'll have to pop it open just right from here. There we go, there's a little slot for it right there. Got more packaging, which we'll take it out. And first things first, just kind of holding the lens, it definitely feels nice. It's not like overly heavy or anything like that, so it's not an extremely heavy lens, but it still does feel like it's good quality. So we've got our little cap right here on the back right there, so we can take that off and have a little look at the inside right there, if you care to see that. And then we will have a look at the lens itself. So 24-105, you can see I'm fingerprinting it up already. And then we've got our super zoom right there. So 24-105. It's not too bad. It's not like overly smooth, but it's definitely easy. And once you've left it into a place right here, like say 70 millimeters, it's nice and strong. It's not going to go in and out or anything like that. So that is nice. There's our cap right here, which we'll take our cap right off and we can see the lens glass itself right there, which is very nice. And we'll go ahead and throw that back on. Obviously we do have like the standard instructions and stuff included, nothing else in the box. Let's grab my new Canon EOS R8 that I just got. I got just the body itself because I wanted to get this lens for it separately, which is what we did. So let's go ahead and insert it. So we'll twist that to take it off, and then we can take the cover off on this. And then one thing you want to do is you can see right on the lens itself, you can see that little dot right there. And then on the actual camera itself, we can see that dot at the top. That's what you do to align them. So you align them and then you want to twist towards the right side, and that will lock it into place. And you'll feel that lock into place for this lens. And if we want to take it off, we just press the button right there and it's towards the left this time. And then if we want to put it back on, obviously we just go right back into place right here, line it up, and then twist. And there we go. And that's pretty much it. That's how you install the lens. So there we go. We can see the lens itself on my EOS R8. Great looking lens. Nice. I like the kind of matching coloring right there they have. That's really cool. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.